They give us this number, this 81.1675, and they want us to round it to the nearest tenth, thousandth, hundredth, or whole number. So remember how rounding works? You want to go to the nearest number, like which number is it around? Which number is it closer to? So we're starting here. They want us to round to the tenths place. Remember how the place values work? Let me write a number up here. Maybe this would be helpful. Let me write a number up here. How about I go 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, and then I just write down the places. Right, this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and then to the right of the decimal, this is the tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place. Remember all that? Okay, so when they say round to the nearest tenth, so that's the first place to the right of the decimal, isn't it? So you put a line right there because we're going to stop one place after the decimal. That's the tenths place, one spot after the decimal. Okay, so how do you stop there? Well, you have to look at the digit that's just after your stopping line. And if that digit is 5 or more, remember you round up. So this will be 81.2, won't it? Now, why do we round? I don't want, you know me, I don't want math to seem like just rules. It's not rules, it's logic. Why is that logical? Well, because we're saying, is this number, let me write that a little better, is this number closer to 81.10 or, get rid of this here, is it closer to 81.20? That's what we're really asking. When we say 81.2 or 81.1, we're really saying, is the number closer to which of those? So get rid of the other digits, and I think you'll see it really clearly. Is 81.16 closer to 81.20 or 81.10? Well, clearly 81.20, right? 16 is closer to 20 than it is to 10. So that's why we round up, you see, because it's closer to that number. It's closer to 81.2, right? We have to end in the tenths place. We have to end one place after the decimal. And so is it closer to 81.10 or 81.20? 81.20, 81.2. All right, let's do the next one. Thousandths. So, you know, that's 3 places past the decimal, isn't it? So I'm going to go 3 places past the decimal and put a line right there. And then the number to the right of the line tells us what to do. If it's 5 or more, you round up, don't you? 81.162. Does that make sense? That's because it's closer. The options are, here, let me try that again. So 86.1610, or which is just below it, or 86.1620. If you can see that very well. Is it closer to, you know, is 17, get rid of this 5, is 17 closer to 10 or 20? 20. So it rounds up to 81.162, right? All right, let's try another one here. Hundredth, that's 2 places past the decimal. Put the line there, 2 places past the decimal. Circle this one, it tells us to leave it, 81.16. Because the question is it closer to 81.160 or 81.170? Get rid of these other digits. Is 61 closer to 60 or 70? Well, 60 clearly. So we round it like that. And then the last one, whole number. Round it to the nearest whole number. Now, where's the whole numbers? Well, that's the ones place. So put the line right there. Look to the right of the line. So 1 tells us to leave it at 81. In other words, we're saying, if I get rid of this stuff that I scribbled here, we're saying, is it closer to $81 or $82? Imagine if it's money, get rid of these digits. $81.16. Is it closer to $81 or $82? The whole number of dollar it's closest to is clearly 81, isn't it? So that's why the rule of rounding follows the truth in that situation. Questions I can answer.